this is the base and the bracket. Turn the base anti-clockwise to remove it from the bracket. It has 2 holes to screw to the wall. It comes with screws and wall plug. The camera should be installed at a height of 2 to 2.5 meters, and it can detect up to 10 meters across and 2 meters away from the camera. Also, it's important not to install the camera right above the door. So I suggest you to install the camera half a meter to 1 meter to the side of the door. So make sure the bracket is 2 to 2.5 meters from the ground, and then hold the bracket to the wall and mark the position of the holes, and then start drilling the holes. I use a 6mm drill bit. You don't need to make the holes longer than the screw length, and then insert the plug into the holes. Keep the bracket aligned with the holes and then start screwing one by one, and in this way the bracket is installed. Now take the second part of the bracket and then turn it onto the base in the clockwise direction until it is tight enough. And then you can turn the top part of the bracket to any angle you want and make sure the screw is at the front. But before installing the camera, it's better to first install the solar panel so that the dust from the drilling of the wall would not fall on the camera. The USB cable that connects the solar panel with the camera is around 4 meters long, so it's better to install the solar panel above the camera, somewhere that it gets lots of sun, avoid shadows, and I would recommend somewhere between 20 to 50 centimeters away from the camera. So mark the holes from the solar panel bracket onto your wall, then use a 6mm drill bit and drill the holes. Again, the hole doesn't need to be too deep, and then insert the plugs into the holes, and then one by one start screwing. Similarly, you could adjust the screw that holds the solar panel by turning it. And now we are ready to install the solar panel. Insert the solar panel's hole onto the screw and then start turning it clockwise until it is tight. Once again, adjust the angle of the solar panel and make sure it is secure. If the camera is not on, open the cover at the bottom of the camera and then hold the power button for 5 seconds for the camera to turn on. Now take your camera and then screw it to the bracket that we installed on the wall, and then turn the camera clockwise to tighten it. Again, you could turn it from the back to adjust the camera, and then connect the USB-C from the solar panel to the bottom of the camera. Make sure the USB-C is fully inserted in to make a waterproof cover. Now remove the plastic film from the lens of the camera and other plastic film from the PIR sensor. Here it is. Now the camera is fully installed and ready to use.